Hey guys, it's been a while. I finally got around to editing this Vlognukkah vlog from 2018, and right now it is November 28th, 2020. So just wanted to come on here and give a little disclaimer that the clips you're about to see, the rest of this video, is 2018. So no, I did not go to Cuba in 2020. I feel like I just have to say that, plain and simple. But I finally got around to editing this vlog 2 years later. So hope you enjoy. Get ready for Vlognukkah 2020 and it should hopefully actually be a thing. Hey everyone, and welcome to Vlognukkah Day 3. Here's your daily dose of Coco. She's happy I'm home because I just got home from the sleepover with Nika, which you saw in yesterday's video. So yeah, anyways, I'm off to Cuba this week and I'm gonna be staying at an all-inclusive resort for 5 days, and I'm so excited. I'm gonna be with Mihan. You guys are gonna get to see her. I'm gonna take you with me. Coco's like, what the heck are you talking about? So there's a lot of things that I have to get done before, because when I come back, it's Christmas Eve and I actually have plans this Christmas. Can you believe it? No, I can't either, because this Jew is celebrating Christmas. What? Speaking of Christmas, let me show you my Hanukkah bush. This is our Hanukkah bush. But I got this little ornament from my boss at work, so thanks Jennifer for hooking me up. Now I have an ornament on my tree. I mean bush, but you know. Anyways, I'm really hyper. I just had coffee from the cutest coffee place downstairs at Nika's apartment. Does that make sense? Thought I just, you know, we'd have a one-on-one day kind of vlog and I'd take you along with me on all the things I need to get done before I leave the country. And my screen is dirty and I apologize. So, okay, bye. So hello, hi, it's me again. I don't know what to do, so I lit candles. Warm apple pie, it smells amazing. And I have my red velvet cupcake from Bath & Body Works lit as well. I occasionally like to multi-candle. If you know the term multi-mask, I like to do that, but with candles. Anyways, it's gonna smell like an apple pie cupcake soon. First things first, I need to unpack, and I really need to wash my makeup brushes, but I'm not gonna sit you through a whole time lapse of that because we all know how boring that can get. I also need to put new sheets on my bed, but my cat is kind of occupying it and she will not get off until someone else comes home, basically. So that's stuck. Also, just want to say I got these KKW Beauty. I got the brightening powder because, you know, I heard so many good things about it, and the concealer. Concealer I like. It's a bit on the thick side. I got number 1 because y'all know how pale I am. Obviously, I match my shirt right now. It is pale, okay? I probably could have gotten shade 2 and gotten away with it, but like that brightening effect, whoo! Anyways, I wanted to speak on the brightening powder though. I don't see no brightening. I think I'm too pale for the brightening power. You know, I thought talking this out would be a good idea, but it's not, so I'm just gonna turn the camera off and think about it for a bit, and then I will be right back. So I have a little helper to help me pack. I'm waiting for her to go in because she always goes in. And then all my clothes get covered in your fur like always. Yeah. So I think I have everything I need for vacation. I mean, just look at what I packed. I packed too many bathing suits, 10,000 shirts, 1 pair of shorts, and all my rompers and dresses. I mean, that should be enough for a 5-day trip, right? The only thing I'm missing is my cat. And that's because she went to go eat, because I guess she's stressed out at all the clothes that I'm packing for a 5-day trip. Right, Coco? You tell him. Oh, yes, you stretch. Don't worry about all those clothes. All those clothes are not coming with me. Kind of need to try them on the day before, and that's probably what I'll do then. But for now, at least I have everything somewhat important in check, you know? It's now time to wrap some presents. I have this really nice wrapping paper I'm excited to use. I kind of think this is the first time I'm like fully wrapping a present, so good luck to me. I have this whole box full of gifts, and I think that's all of them. Plus this, which, like I said, I already pre-wrapped this so that the person can't see what it is. Okay, I'm gonna wrap some presents now. I have a friend I knew she would come help me sooner or later. In the cutest position, but now she woke up because I turned the camera on. I just wanted to pop on because I'm tired and falling asleep and I want to take off my makeup and shower and maybe do a face mask or something. I'm just obviously watching Zoella vlogs, Vlogmas vlogs, because those are the best and I'm catching up. Thank you guys so much for watching today's Vlognukkah vlog. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Oh, look at her, look at her, look at her. You're just an attention whore, aren't you? Yes. Yes, my little munchkin. Yes, you're so cute. I will talk to you guys in my next Vlognukkah vlog. Bye!